Okay, this is the puppet setup. So, up on September 19th, 2024, scene 113, take 2916. And action. Hey everyone, hey, my name is Danielton. This is both from the DT Channel Studios and my backup channel, the Dan and Manly Puppet. And today, I'm basically going to show you guys how to basically try to do a nice good setup for your next puppet video. Now, let's just say if you haven't seen the more recent video that I just did, on the more behind the scenes looks on how I basically use so many different of my puppets to go right behind the camera, where it be using the iPhone or the iPad here to do very long videos, or sometimes doing YouTube shorts with each and every single puppet here. So I want to at least just demonstrate on how you basically try to do a nice good setup before you do some recording things for each puppet here. And if you would like to see some wonderful content and some wonderful entertainment, be sure to check out my main YouTube channel, the DT Channel Studios. And if you would like to see some more of the behind the scenes looks on each of some of my videos, then feel free to subscribe to my backup channel. The links will be in the description box down below. Now, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive right in, shall we? So, I have here with me this tripod here that works on any iPhone or iPad that you might be seeing when doing like a YouTube short, or sometimes is doing a very long video here as well too. But let's just say sometimes I would normally do these kinds of videos when I'm basically like doing a vlog video, where it be on my iPhone or sometimes on my iPad here. But other than that, I wanted to like give you a demonstration on how this whole thing works here and there. So basically, I have this this tripod here that works on any device right now, where it be the iPhone or the iPad here that I'm basically doing a recording right now. And so for if you want to like try to see about trying to readjust your tripod here, you're at a certain height right now, or if you want to adjust your camera to a little bit towards here, or there's sometimes if you wanted to like turn it over here. But for me, I just wanted to turn it just a little bit like this. That way you can get like a nice good puppeteer's view on basically how the whole thing works out. And so far, I'm gonna be grabbing one of my puppets here to show you what I basically do here. So let me just go ahead and grab one of my puppets right now, and I'll definitely show you how I do things here. Now, normally, I'll probably do another video that explains on which puppet I will probably use for certain videos, or sometimes doing like a YouTube short here and there. So I'm gonna use my own puppet here as the example here, and stay tuned for another video on how do you have to assemble a puppet here before you start performing. That'll be another video. Hopefully tomorrow, or probably like the next week here and there. So anyways, let me go ahead and get the puppet all set up here and there for sure. I'll tell you, what, being the puppet is definitely like not an easy job to do, but once you try to like get used to like trying to put the puppet on and basically just start practicing seeing with either device of the iPad or the iPhone, and just basically just like what I want you to do is just like before you literally put your puppet on, just try to pretend like this hand is basically your puppet here, and you want to like do like a nice good practice round by moving the lips here and there. So, like hello, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. How about you? So no, notice how I try to move like the thumb here and there without trying to move this part of the hand here and there. So this is definitely one of the techniques that I learned from any art from any parts of like the puppet video or the puppet club, or sometimes when I go to an event, to like any puppet event, and they would definitely tell all of us, including myself, of how to basically try to move the puppet's mouth here and there. So I want you to at least just practice with your hand for a little bit before you basically just try to like basically trying to get your puppet on for sure, and just do like a nice good like exercise with one of your hands for a little bit, and just go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See? Just try to do something as simple as that right now. So, anyways, once you've done a little bit of nice good exercising here, now let's see if you can bring your own puppet here and get ready to start performing here. So, okay, time to puppet up right now. Now, I think that's a lot of, I think that is basically an expression for like a lot of puppeteers when they're on like a movie or a television show. Once they grab their puppet, if for sure, and then before they start ready to do performance, I think somebody, they probably like off the stage of a movie or a television show, and they basically just want to say to a lot of puppeteers, there's a lot of puppet performers or puppet performers, like as soon as that everybody got their own puppet and about ready to perform, I think a director or a producer will say, okay, puppet up. So I think that was like a wonderful learning experience. Yeah, for sure. So anyways, now that I got my puppet right here, and by the way, if you haven't seen my latest puppet lesson of the arm angle, go here. Feel free to check it out on my main YouTube channel. No, the link will be in the description box down below, or feel free to click the eye icon. So that way you can check out that particular video. Just so you can definitely learn on how to basically try to bend your arm and elbow at this right now. So that way you can see on how well you try to perform this puppet before you had to like start recording and stuff. So as I got my puppet right here in front of this camera, right here, and as you can probably tell, I have this arm at this certain angle here, because the puppet's eyes needs to have a nice good eye focus, or a puppet's eye focus at the camera here. So if I try to like tilt my puppet bit like this right now, then the puppet's eyes are basically looking at the ceiling here, without looking at the camera. So you might want to be like super careful with that right now. So you want to keep it like nice and steady here for sure. And I'm terribly sorry if I'm just like trying to readjust his hands here and there for sure. So anyways, so now I basically have the puppet at this particular angle right here. So right now, if I want to like, so let's just say if I want to like want him to like do like a nice good walk entrance here. So I would basically try to do something like this, and once the puppet it gets to this particular camera right here, I just want to make sure that I'm totally not in the way here, and then once he steps into the camera like so, and then he can totally stop right here, and now he can basically tilt his head or turn his head, looks at the camera, and then going like, oh, hello there. Welcome to the video. Hey, it's so nice to see all of you. How's everybody doing today? That's nice. That's really nice. Now, a lot of the things you can probably do with a pup is that you can basically try to make one of the puppet's hand to like wave hello and goodbye, or at times if you want the puppet to basically just like almost like do like almost like clapping, being here and there, like you deserve a round of applause here. Here, let's go, yay! But you might want to be careful of trying. Like, you want to be very careful that you don't want our people to, like a lot of times when you see in movies or television, like, some of the puppeteers, like, arm or sometimes the hand gets exposed to the camera right here and there. So, you just want to be very careful of, like, you just really and absolutely just want to be careful on just basically just trying to like let the people see the puppet without exposing just a little bit of the like the puppets like the puppeteer there's like arms or hands here and there and that basically just happened this to me a lot when I try to like make videos or sometimes with YouTube Shorts right now. Sometimes I think a lot of people can see like the puppeteer is like head that's basically like in a camera shot here and there, but and sometimes I always try my best to like try to try not to be like the focus is here and just try to have the puppet be like the main focus here. That's absolutely right, and so far he's trying to do his best for me to be at this camera right here without trying to mess something up right now for sure. Is that right, Dan? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're definitely right. Well, pay no attention to him. He's just a higher hand here. Just a little bit of a puppet humor here, folks. But if I want the puppet to basically do like if he wants to exit out of the video here, I will basically try to do like this. So that is basically one of the key options about performing these puppets here and there for sure. But you want to make sure that your arm is at this particular angle rather than this angle right here. But also, you want to like give the puppet a nice good illusion in here, where or not he's basically just like going for like a walk on. It's like taking a look at some of the views here and there, or is he's just dancing, just having a grand old time, stuff like that. So you just want to make sure that the eyes are still looking at the camera. Though sometimes he might look in the opposite direction, or sometimes he looks at the other way, or sometimes he goes looking up, or sometimes looking at down. And yeah. And also, I'm terribly sorry. One of my puppets glasses is like coming off here. Here, let's just say this puppet has been around for almost like 10 years right now. So let's just say I've been performing this puppet here for almost like 10 years. But let's just say it's about like 8 to almost 10 years since I started to perform these puppets here. So right now, the only thing I'm going to be doing here right now is just give this puppet a break here. Now, let's just say that sometimes times doing these kinds of puppetry videos, here, here it can be difficult at times. But once you learn some of the basics and stuff like that, it'll become a lot more easier to do. But once you're done like trying to perform in these puppets or just need to take a break from it, definitely give yourself some ice water here for sure. Believe me, since I had to perform these puppets when it comes to like doing a lot of singing or do a lot of movement meant for like YouTube shorts and stuff like that right now, sometimes it can be pretty exhausting right now, and you just need to like have plenty of water to drink right now for sure, because otherwise you're gonna be like totally exhausted from doing so much puppetry performance here. So, but I believe that's all I got to say right now. But if you would like to see some more of the behind the scene videos or any upcoming videos for my backup channel, and some really good future content of entertainment and educational stuff through the magic of puppetry on my main YouTube channel, then feel free to take a look at the links in the description box down below, and feel free to check out some of my playlists on my other videos on my own main YouTube channel or even my backup channel. If you would like to see a little bit of both coming from both the behind the scenes or the upcoming videos on my main channel or my backup channel. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the month of September, and I'll see you guys next time for more wonderful content and some wonderful entertainment through the magic of puppetry. I'm Dan Timmons, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.